Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the advantages of using a mercury barometer in measuring atmospheric pressure. The mercury barometer is a reliable instrument that accurately measures atmospheric pressure. One of its advantages is its high precision, allowing for precise measurements of even tiny changes in pressure. Its simplicity makes it easy to use and understand, making it a popular choice among scientists and meteorologists. Another advantage is its high sensitivity, capable of detecting even subtle changes in atmospheric pressure. The mercury barometer also has a wide range of measurement, allowing it to measure both low and high pressure values. It is also highly durable and long-lasting, making it a cost-effective choice in the long run. Unlike other barometers, the mercury barometer does not require regular calibration, reducing maintenance costs. Due to its closed system, the mercury barometer is not influenced by air humidity or temperature, ensuring accurate readings. Mercury is a dense liquid, which means it doesn't easily evaporate, making it suitable for long-term pressure measurements. The large column of mercury in the barometer provides a clear visual representation of pressure changes, aiding in analysis.